In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color. Now, by default, your canvas color is always going to be white, but to change it is very simple. What we want to do is click on the canvas. Now, once we've done that, we should have this option, this little white box up here in the left-hand corner. If we click on here, we can then start changing the colors. Now, if we click on this little plus box just here, it says add new color. From here, we can actually pull this along and change to the color that we want. We can also just add the hex color in here. And we can also choose gradients as well. Now, if we go back, we also have the option to have the solid colors, which are here. So if we chose that one, we now have a blue background, and the same option with gradients. Now, if you click on one of these gradients, but want to change one of the colors, we can come back up here to where that plus button is. We can click on here, and then we can choose the style, like so, by clicking on one of the boxes, or we can change one of the two colors. If we pull this along, we can change that to blue, we can change it to red, or to whatever color that we like. So that's how to change your background color here in Canva. Now, for more tutorials just like this, click right here and watch this playlist.